In this video, I will be demonstrating the different functionalities of a customer service rep or help desk personnel of a certain department. This includes editing a case, opening a case, marking it as invalid, creating a child copy to a case, tagging it as a parent, and finally, validating all completed cases before closing them. Now let's get started by logging in as a customer service rep for the IT department. As the help desk personnel, you will be able to see in your dashboard all the different cases that require your attention, all the cases that need to be opened, and all those that need validation. You can also view all your cases by selecting the cases on the uppermost portion of the screen. As you can see, here is the list of all your cases. This list can be sorted based on the different header information on the table. It can either be by date, by status, by case number. Now let me just select the newest case to show you the workflow for its validation. Once I select the case number, I will be redirected to its details. You will also see here until when you can validate the case before escalation. Now I can review all the case details upon its creation. Let's say upon reviewing, I notice I have to change some details. I simply have to click on Edit Case, make the appropriate changes. Let's put here model for EPAR is not working. Now let me also put in an impact. Say physicians can encode PAR. And then click on Save Changes. There will be a corresponding system message stating that your editing was successful. You can also take note of all the changes you made in the details of the case. Now I am ready to open the case. Upon opening, there will be another system message stating the new status of the case, and the assigned processor can be viewed along with its other details. Now let's go back to the case list to demonstrate other options. Let me just find a new case here. Here we go. I'll select this one to open up its details. This is what happens when a process exceeds its expected turnaround time. So let me just mark this case as invalid and choose the reason as duplicate case. Now we can see the corresponding system message, status as invalid. Once marked as invalid, no further workflow can stem from the case. That's why this is highly discouraged and is only used as a last resort. Now let's choose another case to demonstrate the child-parent functionalities of the case management system. One of the options found below is to create a child copy for a case, which happens when a certain case requires more than one processing or resolution in order to be closed. Creating a child copy copies all the details of the primary. However, you can still edit the information given that they are not the same. Let me just choose different type, different concern department, category, and transactions which are related to the parent case I chose. Let's just put in network installation and put in a few case details here. Now, once I click on Save Changes, the newly created case will have this icon, which when clicked opens a new tab for the parent or primary case. A parent case cannot be officially closed until all its other child cases have also been closed. These icons can also be seen in the case list. The child case will have this icon, which states that it is linked to a parent case. and the parent case will have this icon, which says that it has a child case linked to it. Now let's look for another case so that we can try it the other way around. I will select a case, then link it to a parent case within the case list. Now let me just select the child case I created earlier. As you can see, I can again click on the link or the icon to open the parent case. And in the case list, the new parent case is both a child case and a parent case. Now let's try another functionality of the help desk user, which is to validate completed cases. Now let me just complete this case by using the assigned processor. And when I hit refresh, it will show that the case is already completed, and when I view the history, I will see all the actions it underwent. Now it says the case needs validation. The validation can start from the dashboard. I can simply select the case from the dashboard, choose from the three options at the bottom. I will choose Mark as validated, click OK, and its status will change to validated.